Welcome to Navodaya Vidyalaya Samithi's e-content. I am Jovanillu JNV Kollam. Children, today we are studying about second chapter of polynomials. In lower classes you studied about polynomials. Just we recall all the terms we have studied in lower classes. Algebraic expression. You know what is an algebraic expression? It is a mathematical expression that consists of variables and constants and operation symbols, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Examples of algebraic expressions are 2x plus y. Here x and y are variables. Another example, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here the variables are a and b. Negative 5. Another example is 2 by x. Here the variable is x. Another example, 2x plus 3 by x minus 1, etc. Similarly, we can construct different types. We can use different variables for forming an algebraic expression. Then algebraic expression can be classified as polynomials and rational expressions. In 9th class you studied about polynomials. It is an algebraic expression with the exponents of the variable parts of each term as non-negative integer. That is, in an algebraic expression, the degree of the polynomial is always a positive integer. Example, 2y minus 8. Here, the variable is y and the degree is 1. It is a positive number, hence it is an polynomial. Second example, x square minus 8xy plus z. Here three variables are there, x, y and z. The exponent part is always positive only. Negative 15. Here the degree is 15, negative 15 into x raised to 0, that is 0. Another example, root 5 into x minus 1. Here the degree of x is 1 and 0. These are examples of polynomials. The non-polynomials examples are 2 by x. Here the variable is x. 2 by x can be written as 2 into x raised to negative 1. That is, the degree of the polynomial is negative 1. It is not a polynomial. Second example, x raised to 2 by 3 plus 2x minus 1. Here the variable is x. Here degree of the polynomial, this expression is 2 by 3. It is not a non-negative integer, hence it is not a polynomial. Another example, 5 into root z minus 3. Here variable is z and degree of z is 1 by 2. It is not a polynomial. Another example, 2y minus 2 divided by y plus 3. It is not a polynomial. Then polynomials can be written as p of x and q of x, etc., where x is a variable. If y is a variable, we can write it as p of y and q of y, etc. Then rational expression. Rational expressions, it is of the form p of x by q of x, numerator by denominator, where p of x and q of x are polynomials. Examples are 2x plus y, a square plus 2ab plus b square, negative 5, 2 by x, 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Here numerator is a polynomial, denominator is also another polynomial. Or in general we can say that all polynomials are rational expression, but all rational expression need not be a polynomial. Then in 8th class you studied about different types of polynomials. Polynomials can be classified based on the number of terms and degree of the polynomial. Then types of polynomial based on the number of terms. That is, based on the number of terms we can classify these polynomials. If a polynomial consists of only one term, it is called a monomial. Mono means 1. Example 2x, 6x square, 9xy. And if a polynomial consists of two terms, it is called binomial. Examples 4x square plus x. First term is 4x square and second term is x. Another example 5x plus 4. Here first term is 5x, second term is 4. That is only two terms are there, it is called binomial. Then if a polynomial consists of three terms, it is called a trinomial. Tri means 3. Example x square plus 3x plus 4. Here the first term is x square, second term is 3x and third term is 4. In general, we can say that if a polynomial consists of more than two terms, we can say that is a polynomial. All these you studied in 8th class. I think you remember all these things. Next is the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial is the degree of the highest degree term with a non-zero coefficient in the given polynomial. Consider the example p of x is equal to x cube plus 2x minus 10. Here the highest degree is x raised to 3, that is degree is 3. Therefore the degree of the polynomial here it is x cube, that is 3. Next is types of polynomial based on degree. That is depends upon degree we can classify the polynomials. First is a polynomial whose degree is 1, that is called a linear polynomial. That is the degree of the variable is 1 means that we can say that is a linear polynomial. The general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b where a not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, that becomes b only. Hence it is the general form is ax plus b where a and b are real numbers. Here the example 2x plus 1, degree of x is 1. Hence it is a linear polynomial. A first degree polynomial is also known as linear polynomial as the graph of it always be a straight line. The graph of the linear polynomial you studied in 9th class. You know the graph of the linear polynomial is always a straight line. Hence it is the name is line, that is linear line. And this year we are studying about quadratic polynomial. And quadratic polynomial means degree of the polynomial is 2. Example 3x square plus 8x plus 5 is an quadratic polynomial. Here 3x square, that is degree of x is 2 here. 3x square plus 8x plus 5 is a quadratic polynomial. Then the general form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0, a, b, c are real numbers. The next type is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means if the degree of the polynomial is 3, that is called a cubic polynomial. Example 2x raised to 3 plus 5x square plus 9x plus 15. It is an example for cubic polynomial. Here the degree of x is 3. Highest degree is 3. The general form of a cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a not equal to 0. Here also a, b, c, d are real numbers. That is for linear polynomial the general form is ax plus b, a not equal to 0. For quadratic polynomial the general form is ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0. And for cubic polynomial ax raised to 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d, a not equal to 0. I think these terms are clear for you. Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. These are all these previous, we studied all these things in lower classes. Next is value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial is the value obtained when the variable takes a particular value. That is, for a particular polynomial, If we put different value for x, we will get different value for the polynomial. That is, the value of the polynomial at x is equal to a is denoted by p of a. Consider the example, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Here x is the variable here. X can take any value. If we put x is equal to 1, the polynomial becomes p of 1 equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 1, or which is equal to 2 minus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. That is, the polynomial takes the value p of 1 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. If we put x is equal to 2, what will happen? P of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1, which becomes 8 minus 6 plus 1. After calculation, we will get it becomes 3. If we can put negative value also. If we put x is equal to negative 3, what will happen? P of negative 3 is equal to 2 into negative 3 whole square minus 3 into negative 3 plus 1, which is equal to 2 into negative 3 whole square means that is a negative 3 into negative 3, that is 9. That is 2 into 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 plus 1, which is equal to 28. Similarly, if we can put infinite number of values, we will get different values for the polynomial also. Thus, every polynomial gives a unique value at a given value of the variable. I think the value of the polynomial is also, you understand. Shall we move to the next topic? Zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial is the value of the variable for which the value of the polynomial becomes 0. That is, we are putting different value for the variable. If we put the value for variable, for a particular value the polynomial becomes 0. That value is called 0 of the polynomial. Example, consider the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x minus 6. If we put x is equal to 2, what will happen? 3 into 2 minus 6, which is equal to 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. That is, polynomial takes the value 0 when x is equal to 2. Hence, we can say that the 0 of the polynomial 3x minus 6 is x is equal to 2. That is, for a linear polynomial, x will take only one value. That is, for one value of x only, this polynomial becomes 0. All other values it will not become 0. Hence, the linear polynomial has only one value. Generally, for a 0 of a linear polynomial ax plus b, x is equal to negative b by a. That is, we are assuming ax plus b equal to 0, ax become negative b, x is equal to negative b by a. Because it is a linear polynomial, it has only one 0. Thank you.